Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to accept payments using Apple Pay. First, you'll need to ensure your business is set up with the right point of sale system, which includes a near-field communication or NFC reader. This allows customers to simply tap their iPhone or Apple Watch to complete a purchase. The transaction is secure and swift, typically taking just a few seconds. Once processed, the funds are digitally transferred to your designated business bank account, ready for your financial management. To begin accepting Apple Pay, your business requires an NFC-enabled payment terminal. Most modern point-of-sale systems, like Square or Clover, come equipped with this technology. You'll also need to confirm that your chosen payment processor, such as Stripe or PayPal, supports Apple Pay transactions. Integration is usually straightforward, often just a software update or a simple configuration within your existing system. This setup ensures a seamless experience for both you and your customers. When a customer is ready to pay, they simply hold their Apple device near your NFC reader. They'll authenticate the purchase using Face ID, Touch ID, or a passcode. The transaction is encrypted and authorized in real time, providing a high level of security. After authorization, the funds are processed by your payment provider. Typically, these funds will be deposited into your linked business bank account within 1 to 3 business days, depending on your processor's policies. Once the Apple Pay funds have settled into your business bank account, they become part of your available balance. From there, you can access them just like any other deposited funds. If you need physical cash, you can make a withdrawal at your bank branch or use a business debit card at an ATM. Alternatively, you can use these funds for digital payments, payroll, or other business expenditures directly from your bank account, offering complete financial flexibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.